The amount of disrespect on this sneaker is disgraceful. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all doing well, guys. Hope you're all looking after yourselves both mentally and physically, and you keep pushing those barriers, you keep pushing those boundaries, and you're on target for your goals in 2023, and you keep laying the foundations to keep growing and excelling to hit your targets and your goals constantly throughout the years, to making sure you're always on top, guys. And also, please do check out the Suede podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks here. We talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court public opinion. And also, on top of that, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do, because we're about to break this down and are about to fire some shots at some of these sneaker guys out here, because today we're looking at, hey, presto, shabang, this is the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. So, as you can see from the B-roll, guys, this is the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. And with the Reimagined tag, we know there's going to be a switch up. We know there's going to be a change. This is not the 2017 pair, which is all leather. This is not the OG pair, which is all leather. This is a bit different, but we're going to break it down. But there's so much disrespect on this sneaker, and I'm going to say this right this moment in time. A lot of people out here talking about this sneaker and talking about it from a resale point of view. This is not about resale, guys. This is about picking up the sneakers you like. So if you like it, you like it. You love it, you love it, you move on. Don't throw shade on a sneaker just because it's changed up. That's all I'm going to say, guys, because some of you guys out there are talking about this sneaker like you're going to resell this. When is the last time you actually want to resell a sneaker if you're a purist, guys? That's what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. I know this sneaker's gone on discount. I know this sneaker's actually been hashed by some of these retailers because they know there's quantities of these pairs. This sneaker sat. So I'm just going to say this. Buy what you like, rock what you like, wear what you like. Shout out to the bro Q for that comment, because that's what it's all about, guys. But before we look at the sneaker, guys, let's take a look at the box. And hey, presto, shabang. And as you can see, guys, this is not the OG box. I had it upside down, but this is not the OG box. This is a reimagined box, and it's all black with blue writing on this. And as you can see, guys, more of a different take, more of a reimagined take on the box. And this is like a GR box in general, because when they do the GR boxes, they take the colorway and smack it on the box. And this is what they've done with this Jordan 1 Reimagined. As you can see, vinyl blue on this actually shines with the actual sneaker as well in the box, but absolutely dope. Nike all over this box, black predominantly, and also affiliated writing at the bottom. This is absolutely dope, absolutely magnificent, guys. And even inside this box, as you can see, tissue paper and pretty much double wrap tissue paper, which they're doing a lot, guys, because they're kind of wrapping the sneakers and putting more tissue paper on top of it. And then you've got that swoosh and the Nike and the stamp right at the top there, guys. As you can see, that's the box. The box label reads like this. It shows like this. It should be like this. This is from the sneakers app. This is for the bro. My pair is still coming in, but I will be doing an on feet at the end, so watch out for that. But this is a US 9, UK 8, and a EU 42.5. The code on this is DZ54854042. The actual description on this box is Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and the box colorway says black, royal blue and white. We know that OG colorway, guys. That's the box, guys. That's how it should look. Now let's take a look at this sneaker. It's sneaker time, so hey, presto, shabang. And as you can see, guys, this is the Jordan 1 High Royal Reimagined. And as you can see, guys, this is not the leather pair. This is the reimagined offtake of the OG, which is a sueded out pair. And as you can see, guys, this has got more of a flatter suede on this actual blue, which runs through this, and the suede on this is actually quite nice. It's actually quite, it hasn't got the stroke actions that you would expect like premium furry suede, but this is still a nice suede. It's solid. I expected this sneaker to be a bit more deconstructed in terms of it being really soft and it kind of just self collapses, but it's structurally really good. It's structurally really stiff, and it's structurally really sound, to be honest. And as you can see, the blue on this is really nice. In camera it looks a little bit lighter, but in real life it looks a bit darker. It's not dark royal blue like the actual rose are. It's a bit more lighter, but it's a nice take. The comparison I use to this sneaker is the Flyknits. If you remember the Flyknits that came out a couple of years ago, this, it kind of reminisces the Flyknits in a way, the way it's been constructed, the way it's been executed, and I think a lot of people kind of slept on this for that reason alone, but it is a great sneaker. I love the suede paneling, and the black paneling is a bit different. I'm going to zoom into you guys and show you. The black paneling has got that stroke action. As you can see, it's more like a felt suede. It's a really like flat suede, but it's not nubuck. It's close to nubuck, but not nubuck. It's a flat suede, and as you can see, you get that stroke action from it. It's a dope sneaker. It's an absolute dope sneaker. So you got two separate variations of suede on it. The royal blue suede is kind of more of a natty suede, flat natty suede, and the black suede is more of like a felt flat suede. So dope. The way they've executed is so dope. You're gonna get like dust on this, so make sure you wipe it down and clean it. You're gonna get that stroke action on it, so you're gonna have like little smudges on it. So if you want them clean, make sure you just swipe it, and it just basically brings it to this awesomeness that you've got in your hand. I like it a lot. I like it for what it is. I don't have the leather pair, but if I did have the leather pair, I would still get this. In my personal opinion, this is dope. In my personal opinion, this is dope. Some people didn't like it. This is sitting around. Apparently there's a lot of these sneakers that have actually been produced in the Royal range, in the Suede Royal range, and the Reimagined range, and this is the reason why they're sat. And some of the outlets out there are actually giving you discounts already for the sneaker because they are sitting around. And to be honest, go get the sneaker for a discount if you can, because I can vouch for this sneaker. I think this sneaker is dope. Look at the toe alone as well. The toe on this, that natty suede toe, is so dope. Just like a Jordan 1, structurally sound, structurally dope. There's nothing wrong with this in my personal opinion. Comes with blue laces as well as these black laces, as you can see, in the no waist kind of box that actually laces come in nowadays. And then inside, you've got more of that normal nylon inner lining as well, with all the way through the guts. You've got the tissue paper, which normally comes with this as well, as you can see. And then on top of it, you got the insole. You got more of a dream cell insole. I think more of a probably polyurethane insole. Isn't really like kind of got that dream cell kind of vibe to this. It probably is a polyurethane insole with that felt that goes in the inner lining insole, and then obviously you got that royal Nike Air on the actual inlining or the insole as well. That is dope. That is absolutely magnificent. There's not much to say about the sneaker. OG and all, when they did this for the pattern breads as well. They gave it that reimagined vibe. It kind of brought something different to the actual OG range. I think the Reimagined line is okay. I don't think they're executing it really well, in my personal opinion. I think they could do a lot more. They should have brought this out, maybe possibly in that lost and found, aged out, broken sneaker vibe. Maybe that would have sold a bit more. Maybe they will bring out the black toes next year in that vibe, but who knows, because I still think this is dope. I still think this is fire, in my personal opinion. And on that, I'm going to give this, maybe, I was going to say 5, but I'm going to give this a 4 goats out of 5. So it is a nice sneaker. It's above average sneaker. Dope vibes to this. Obviously, OG touches to this is really nice as well. You've got that royal Nike here. I know a lot of people have already got the leather pairs, so they're not going to go back and get this suede pair, because like I said, this reminds me of the Flyknits, the Jordan 1 Flyknits. If you remember those, they had shadows, they had rolls, they had breads, and they had another colorway. I think another colorway that came with that Flyknit pair, but this is still dope in my personal opinion. Roll outsole, as you can see, predominantly midsole and outsole is all OG touch. There's nothing much else to the sneaker, but pure brilliance the way they execute this. I like it. I'm gonna rock it. I'm gonna love it. This is for the bro. I'm actually bought this from Sneakers from the Bro. I got mine from the Offspring on the midnight release. That's coming hopefully soon, so I'm gonna put it on feet. So watch out for the on feet as you speak, because by the time I've recorded this, the on feet will be on it. But yes, this was the review for the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined Suede pair. And to be honest, guys, go and see this. In my personal opinion, this is dope. This is absolutely dope, in my personal opinion. Rock it in the summer. You can still rock this in the winter. Just be careful if it's not raining, especially if you live in the UK. It's gonna rain, so be careful when you wear this. All the color blocking is OG, but it's the material blocking that's different on this sneaker. Love it. Like I said, love. If you love it, you love it. You like it, you like it. Wear what you want, rock what you want, like what you like. But I like these, and this is going to be my rotation. I'm going to definitely get this. And even if I had the leather pair, I would have still picked this up. I think this is a dope concept. I think they bring in something unique. And unfortunately, when some people want something like we were talking about years ago, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, we want more sneakers. And when they give you more sneakers, then you disrespect them. And I don't understand that vibe. Just like what you like. If you don't like it, just move on. Personally, that's my opinion. But there you go, guys. This is the Royal One Reimagined, and absolutely brilliant. Like I do on this channel, I'm going to give you that front perspective, some of that booty action back perspective, some of that lateral side, some of that medial side, and look at the brilliance on that. The beautiful outside. I'm giving you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep bringing the heat, and make sure you keep rocking all the sneakers on the street, guys. Bang, bang, and bang. That was a review, guys, and hopefully you do go and check them out. Hopefully you do go and enjoy them. Hopefully you do go and touch them, because that sneaker is nice and soft. I'm going to be personally honest, that sneaker is nice and soft. It will look beautiful on feet. I think a lot of people are sleeping on this, and once it's gone, I feel in a couple of years we'll look back at this and think that was actually quite dope. But like I say, guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back, and thank you for always showing support, guys. But like I do at the end of the videos, hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ, I Love Kit Customs. Peace out for now, guys, and peace.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like Troop. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference. I ain't studying you stepping, I don't care what you reppin'. I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing. I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon. I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message. If I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth. I'm coming back with more flavors. Put it all